Yo, what's crackin'? So, this is a tent, and that is a lit pumpkin. And as you can see, we have 4 of them here in the tent, along with a very inconspicuous looking camera. Now, if you look, there's a harness, runs all the lights down into this hardware. So this actually is all of the hardware you would find within the walls of a modern building. You have the router, which hooks up to your thermostat, your CO2 sensor, your actuator for the air vents, and a controller for lights. That's what this guy is here. He controls all the lights, and in this case he's switching all the on and offs for our devices. And this guy is your controller. It's basically what hooks into the network and does all of your communication. That's, like I said again, that's our actuator. We have the actuator, or the damper, hooked up to a fan vent. This is simulating HVAC. So this would be your air conditioning system, your heater, all that stuff. That would be your stuff on the lights end. We could also do measurements on the CO2 levels and temperature, stuff like that. Now, here's where the nifty part comes in. This is the server running all those things. As you can see, that one pumpkin light is on, and we have this light on right here. I can go ahead and turn this guy off, which I will do now. And if we look at the click, turns it off. And I can go ahead and turn some stuff on. I have 2 and 3 hooked up right now. I still have to hook up 1 and 4. Quadrant 1 and 4, 2 and 3, the quadrants are turned on. So I can go ahead and turn these guys on, and bam, on. So anyway, these can all be controlled individually. And I'll go ahead and turn the fan on for shits and giggles. Turn that guy off, and 5 is our fan. So I'll set this stuff, and as you can see, I'll just, bam, and our fan turns on. So you can kind of put something in right here, and it'll blow out. Now, that's the control. Now the really, really, really nifty part is that all of this is going to be autonomous with programming. So that's what the whole point of the camera is. The camera is going to be seeing people in the tent, and with some crazy ass programming we'll be able to figure out how many people are in this tent, and we'll be able to know where they're at. So according to the amount of people in the tent, we will turn this fan on and actuate the damper. So lots of people, not so many people, no people, turn the fan off. And the lights will turn on according to where they're at. So let's say if I were in, quadrant 3 right here, if I stand under this pumpkin, it will light up. And same with all the other ones. You move away from the quadrant, the pumpkin will turn off. And that's what I've been working on. So that's what I've sold my soul to for the moment. That's MATLAB if you care to know what it is. But anyway, so that's that. We're making hella smart buildings. The reason for all this is it is a toy of what we're actually doing in engineering. So this camera right here is actually the exact same camera we're using, and we have these all in the roof. There's another one in that corner. We have them going down the side of engineering. And so we're actually controlling the heating, cooling, and lights based on occupancy in the building. And so this is just a toy version of it. And this is what we're taking to Seattle. Anyway, take it easy and hope you enjoyed.